All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. What we have for you guys today is a 2013 427 Corvette. Really nice car. 1 year only production in the C6, was the final year for the C6. It is equipped with the LS7 engine, the manual 6-speed transmission, nice two-tone interior. We're gonna walk you guys all around it. I think right now this is one of the best cars that you can buy for the money that you can enjoy. Have a 1 year only production make with the 427 edition. They have the 60th anniversary cars as well. These cars are going below window sticker right now, which is kind of unheard of with low mile examples for collector cars, which, you know, I think this car definitely fits that bill. And you're talking a car that's, you know, 20,000 under MSRP. So this car is powered by a 7-liter V8, which is matted to the 6-speed manual transaxle and a limited slip differential. So this C6 Corvette, which again was the final year in 2013, has 4,800 miles on it currently and is offered with the window sticker, manufacturer's literature and memorabilia, a car cover, and a clean Carfax report. The car is finished in crystal red metallic tint coat, which was an option. We'll get to all the options that were included on this car in a little bit. The interior features black leather seat upholstery paired with contrasting tan trim and red stitching, along with embroidered Corvette logos in each headrest. A leather-lapped steering wheel frames a 200 mile an hour speedometer, a tachometer with a 7,000 RPM redline, and auxiliary gauges. This digital odometer is going to indicate 4,800 miles. So the naturally aspirated 7-liter LS7 V8 features a dry sump pump oil system and was factory rated at 505 horsepower and 470 pounds-foot of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transaxle and a limited slip differential. So some of the standard features that came with the 427 edition here were power speed sensitive variable ratio rack and pinion steering. You had your traction control system, active handling, magnetic ride, that dry pump oil system for your, again, 7.0-liter V8 with 505 horsepower. You have your 4-wheel disc brakes, your push button start, air conditioning, dual zone climate control, heads up display, seat trim with leather seating surfaces. You have your navigation, Bose premium audio 9 speakers with Bluetooth, power heated outside mirrors, carbon fiber hood and fenders, Michelin Pilot Sport tires, which in the front are going to have 19-inch ZR1 chrome aluminum with 285 by 30 tires. In the rear is going to be 20-inch, so you have a staggered stance with 335s by 25s. And I just think that gives the car a totally different look on these 427s when you have those chrome ZR1 wheels. One of the nicest wheels on any car, especially the Corvettes. Really think they nailed it with those wheels, and it just gives the car such a great look, especially with that tint coat crystal red metallic paint. So your options are going to include, this is a 1SC package, which is the top of the line. That is the best trim package you can get on the 427 cars. And that is a $9,500 option. And it's going to give you the following: memory package, seat adjusters with power bolster and power lumbar, seats, bucket, leather seating surfaces. You have your power convertible tan top, custom leather wrapped interior with special trim, and universal home remote. So the interior on this car is really nice, super clean. You have your black leather interior with your tan inserts in the middle, also on the dash and in the center console glove box area here. The carbon fiber trim, carbon fiber package is a $2,995 option and package, and it really does give this car a nice added boost when you get into the interior here. As we mentioned, the ZR1 chrome aluminum wheels were a $2,000 option. The crystal red metallic tint coat was $995. The red calipers, $595. Custom leather stitching was $395. So the interior again is super nice because you have such a nice flow of the two-tone interior with that red stitching, with the carbon fiber, your leather wrapped steering wheel, and it just really does look classy, look rich on this C6 427 Corvette. Also, you have your pedal covers, manual trans, which is dealer installed, for $300. So your total options were just under $17,000, $16,780 to be exact, bringing your MSRP to $93,700. So in 2013, you had a car that was, you know, pushing six figures. And as many of you know, the market right now is crazy. And you have a 1 year only manual transmission Corvette over 500 horsepower, where these are selling for, you know, 15, 20,000 below MSRP. A car sub 5,000 miles that is literally flawless. It's been well kept, garage kept, well maintained. Really no flaws that we can pick up on the car. The paint is in excellent condition, the metallic in it, the chrome wheels. I mean, everything on this car, whoever spec'd it out did a fabulous job, and it really is eye candy. All right, everybody, so that's a wrap on our 2013 427 Corvette. Again, the final model of the C6. I think, you know, a great car right now to enjoy if you're looking for something where you could possibly have some return on your investment, but definitely not going to get hurt. Enjoy, put some miles on, and it's not going to affect the value of this car, especially if you keep it in the shape that it's in right now. If you haven't already, again, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, check out our other videos. We have a lot of inventory coming. Maybe you're looking for a certain car, check out our sold inventory and let us know if there's something we can help you find.